Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of an add-on called Add Remove Products, and this is meant for the order form. There's also a version of this called Add Remove Products OTO that will let you use it on the OTO pages to do things like an OTO bump, where you have a core product and then you want to add products to that. That's in the OTO version. This is the order form version, and I'll show you a quick example of what this looks like. You may have seen this before on the traffic secrets.com secrets, expert secrets funnels, where the bumps are actually triggered by a button click instead of a checkbox. And so let's run through and show you what this looks like. So I've got an example funnel here that I built up. Got to do a little design hacking, a little funnel hacking here. This might look familiar to you, but what we've got here is an order form, and we can just click here to open our order form, and you'll notice we've got an order form and a pop-up here that's using another add-on called the multiple pop-ups add-on. But what we've got going here is if we actually do a toggle here to show our step 2, then we can actually see that we've got these little bumps here. We've got multiple bumps, which is kind of key to this. But then we've also got the bump layout. These are actual bump offers that have kind of a 3-column layout, and they've got some text in the middle with an image, and the buttons. And the buttons are actually how we add products to the order. So you'll notice that when we clicked that button, we added the My Awesome Book audiobook version, and if we click this one, it will actually add the product for the workshop recordings. And so if we click the remove, it will remove that and remove that. So these work just like traditional bumps where you have the checkbox, but instead of using the checkbox to trigger, we're actually triggering them with buttons. Now you could also use this in multiple different ways, because the functionality is basically that you've got a button, and when you click to add, in this case, when you click add, it's actually going to add a specific product to the order. And then you'll have a matching button that gets swapped out, and then when you click on this button, it will remove that same product from the order. Same thing here. When we add, adds the product. When we remove, it removes the product. So you could use that in multiple different ways, but the one you'll see most often being used for is this type of bump layout, where we kind of get a lot more design control, a lot more content control over how things are functioning. So that is the Add Remove Products add-on, and that's an example of what you might use it for. So make sure and watch the instructions. We'll show you how to get set up and use it for yourself.